Hawaii is a state of the United States of America, located in the Pacific Ocean. It is the only US state located outside North America, the only island state, and the only state in the tropics. The state encompasses nearly the entire Hawaiian archipelago, which consists of 137 volcanic islands spanning 1,500 miles, which are physiographically and ethologically part of the Polynesian subregion of ocean. The state's ocean coastline is consequently the fourth largest in the US at about 750 miles. Of the 50 US states, Hawaii is the 8th smallest geographical and the 11th least populous, but the 13th most densely populated. It has more than 1.4 million residents and is among the most diverse states in the country, with the nation's only Asian American demographical majority. The state capital and the largest city is Honolulu on the island of Oahu, settled by Polynesians sometimes between 124 and 1128. Hawaii was an independent nation until 1898, when it was annexed by the United States. It's become the most recent state to join the Union on the August 21, 1959. Hawaii's diverse natural scenery, warm tropical climate, abundance of public beaches, oceanic surroundings, active volcanoes, and clear skies on the Big Island make it popular destination for tourists, surfers, biologists, volcanologists, and astronomers. Hawaii's tropical climate and laid-back Pacific Island atmosphere are just part of what makes the state so special. Occupying the top of massive volcanic mountaintop jutting from the sea, these islands have a diverse and beautiful landscape that varies from the stark lunar surface of the volcano to lush green forests filled with exotic flowers. Waterfalls stream down the mountain sides like a tear on the dramatic Nepali coast, while ancient rivers have carved deep into the rock to create canyon. The Big Island is home to an active volcano, and Oahu is home to Pearl Harbor and its rich history. Surrounding them all, the mighty Pacific is home to the plethora of ocean life, providing endless opportunity to scuba dive, surf, or simply go for a swim after sunbathing. Perhaps the most special part of the island, however, are its people whose welcoming attitude make you truly feel like you are in a paradise. Thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe us and press the bell icon.